Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the hood on Mazda 3. This one will be the generation from 2010 all the way until 2013. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, guys. This one was in an accident here, so we need to replace the hood. What you need to do now, you need to open the hood of the vehicle, and actually you don't need to remove any wires or anything. There is only 4 bolts, okay, with a 12mm socket right there. You need to remove these bolts, and you need to be holding the hood because it will drop. Okay, one. Okay, just go ahead and remove that one now. Some of them are really tight, if they're original ones. And you need to be holding it now so you can break the windshield. Okay, and then the same procedure on this side right here. We have the 2 bolts again. Okay, first one comes off, and now the second one. Usually the one on the front is the tight, it's usually more. Like that. And now, guys, you're ready to pull the hood out of it. As you can see, just like that, pretty simple. You don't need to worry about the spray nozzles for the windshield because they're actually on the plastic trim under the hood. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We have a new video on our channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.